Guys, this is the box. Oh my goodness, guys, this is the box we're waiting for. And as you guys can see right here, it's coming from BH in New York, and I got it I got it yesterday, but I wasn't in home and they delivered it back today. Guys, this is the box. Let's go and open this baby. Alright guys, let's go and do this real quick. Nice. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, well, this is all the protection, and basically, well, I got the receipt right there. I know this product got a 3-year warranty, and if you guys want to buy another 2 extra years, you can do it, but I get basically 3 years from Square Trade. And wow guys, look at this guy right here. Let's put this on the table. Alright guys, there you have it. Here it is, the TVS-H674, and now we are talking about, this is one of the best NAS in the market so far. The new one with an Intel Core i5 HDMI, and well, look at this, got a 12th generation CPU, upgradable, the RAM up to 128. You guys can read, I'm gonna put the link down below, that way you guys can see all the specifications. But basically today I'm not gonna show you how this thing works, because you guys will see how a lot of guys will post this thing. But so far I'm gonna show you guys how the box looks outside, and then I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna move this to my room where it's going, and I'm gonna show you guys the opening, officially the opening of this box. Now right here I got, basically we have all the information from the NAS, that's why it's covered. And right over here, as you guys can see, we have, well, basically if you guys want to extend it for 5 years, basically you got 60 days after you guys purchase this product, as it's stated right here, in order to get the warranty. In my case, I didn't do that. I get the warranty from Square Trade, and I extended 3 more years. In case something happened, they repair it, that I don't think they're gonna repair it. Probably they're gonna replace it, because that's happened to me with a previous NAS that I have from Synology. And well, now from the Synology, I moved to this beautiful baby right here. This is the back too. And well, let's go guys, and let's put this thing in my room, and let's go and do the opening, guys. Let's go and do this right now. Let's grab this guy right here, and okay guys, here we are. Now we got the NAS outside of the box. And well guys, take a quick look right there. TVS 12th generation processor. Wow, that's gonna be huge. And well, you know, the different things you can load in this NAS. Also we got the different enter, select, and the starter right here is the screen right there. And you know, right here we can remove this plastic in order to make it looks nicer. This is just the protection basically for the screen. We got the 6 base, we got the different buttons right here, power. We got the disconnector right here, and we got this other button right over there. Now let's go in the back. As you guys can see right there, we got the sideways. Let me go in the other side before we go to the back, and you guys see this is for the air right there. Let's go and let's take a look to the back. All right, here we are right now, and well, as you guys can see, we got a lot of fans right here, and this one got fan 3, 2, 1, and I'm assuming this is another little fan for I don't know for what. Well, I think the only way to find out is opening this guy. We got the 2 ports, 2.5, 2.5. That's good enough for me. I'm happy with it. We got the USB connector, and we got these slots right here to the upgrades. If you're gonna upgrade your graphics card, or you guys wanna get different other things, well, that's why we got these two slots right here that you can remove. Also, we got another connector down here, and well, basically that's just it. And well, basically right over here and right over there is vital information for the NAS that you cannot show to, you know, anybody, especially in YouTube, because you know you can compromise your security. But guys, this is it. This is the NAS. Let's go and turn this thing around. Okay, and well, right here basically that's how do we pull these guys out. Let me get this out. Okay, let's see, and let me compare these guys. Yeah, I think this is different. This is different, very different. Let me see. No, maybe it's the same. Let me compare this one with the Synology ones. All right, well, this is the one from QNAP, and well, these two belongs to the Synology. Now you guys can see this guy right here. Well, believe it or not, if you guys got this Velcro and put it right in there, well, with the Synology, I gotta try it out with the QNAP. You guys can try to using this. The vibration from the hard disk is minimized in a lot. I'm telling you guys, this thing helps a lot, and I love it. And I cannot get the credit for this. I would like it, but that's not gonna be honest from my part. I see a guy in YouTube doing it. Nobody else I see before doing this kind of stuff on the hard disk, but this thing really works. And let me see if this guy fits the same right here. Oh yeah, it's basically the same connection. Let's go and compare, because I'm that's gonna be the easy way. But basically, yeah. Oh yeah, basically it's a little bit, the QNAP is a little bit longer and a little bit wider. And I don't know if this thing is gonna be on the way, but I'm gonna check it out. How noisy are those hard drives if they vibrate a lot, and you guys can feel that? But let me see. So far, well, you know, it's good. It's already in. Wow, it's nice. Well, the only thing is not long enough right here. Synology doesn't fit in here. Of course, they don't like each other. Okay, but you know, basically that's the same principle. Probably I'm gonna get the same thing, and I'm gonna store it in this. Is not that much, as you guys can see. Look at the difference, guys. With Synologies, if you guys experiencing noise with your hard drives and you feel vibration in the frame, you guys can do this and you will see the difference. Look at the difference. Look the cushion right here, and believe me, it works. You guys can see, compare these two guys, the one without and the one with, and it's a big difference. Okay, probably guys, it's a different video for what you guys get used to. It's just a guy from a regular guy in my house doing this this video right here, and I'm so excited. I just want to show you guys how this guy looks like. And let's remove these slots in order to show you guys how it looks inside the NAS right here. And there you have it right here, guys. Look at these guys, all these wires and connections and everything looks so beautiful. All right, guys, well, I think that's it. I'm gonna install, like I told you guys, well, my hard drives. I'm gonna install my WD blacks, and also I'm gonna install my microns, and I'm gonna, guys, let you know because I just checked the specifications, and this is, if you guys need it for, if you guys got the 1621, this one, the XS Plus, this memory works. If you guys check the specifications, it's gonna say just only 60 and 16 gigabytes, no more than that. But I installed two 32 gigabytes, and it works perfectly, no problems at all, and it was recognized by the NAS. Now I'm gonna use the same ones in my new QNAP, and I'm gonna, guys, let you know if it's working. I'm not gonna do a whole video doing things, because guys, it's more experienced guys out there, and probably they're gonna start making videos about all the attributes of this. Alright guys, now we are going to install this heatsink. Make sure to clean this with alcohol. Man, this is not the greatest heatsink, but well, it's something from QNAP, and again, thank you very much for that, QNAP. I'm gonna install it right here, and this one right there, or this one right over here, it doesn't matter. Just remove this guy right there, and I'm gonna apply it to this guy right here, and well, that's it. Or you know what, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I didn't put it right yet. Hold on. You can find this one. You got another one right there. Alright, and you guys can see it right here. It's very nice, it's not the greatest thing, but it's amazing. You don't get something free every single day, and thank you, QNAP. Alright, let's go and put this thing. Got a hard right here. Hold on, gotta make sure to put this thing back. Alright, hold on. Okay, just grab from the I'm sorry guys. Okay, right there, let me just push it. Alright, there we go. It's already in. And now let me just there we go, you push it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing right here, but as you guys can see, that one, we're gonna use the same right here, and we're going to remove this guy right here. Okay, and before I do that, let me go and dry it. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna put in the same spot of the other one. Space right there, hold on. Yep. Can feel it right there. Little bit of movement in order to sure it stays, and that's it. Alright guys, look at this. Now we got the two 1 terabyte NVMe SD gaming cards. I love this guy. Now I got the 64 right here, and also guys, take a look at this beautiful and nice heatsink. It's big. Now this is the other fan we were talking about. We got another heatsink right here, and well, basically, okay, some other stuff right here, more technical, and this is the bottom right here, guys. And well, that's it. Okay guys, well, I just want to show you this real quick, and let's go back to the finish. Okay, before I leave, guys, well, I install it. I removed the old Velcro, and I installed it in the new one. And let's go and see if this thing goes in. See? Oh, nice. Look at this, guys. Perfect. See? Nice. Wow. It's good. I love it. Okay, let's compare one without the Velcros and another one with. This is the one without. Well guys, that's it. This is a quick video, and guys, thank you very much for watch my videos. Thumbs up, share, and I hope you guys like it. Well, there you have it. This is the new QNAP TVS-H674 This is in the series of this NAS right here, TVS-H674. Mine is the one with the 6 bays. You guys can have the 4 bays and the 8 bays, and well, I have this one in between. I love it, guys. Don't think it, just get it, just to show you just a little bit before I leave. Look at my hand, look at my hand, look at the size of my hand. I'm not even stretching my whole hand. Look at this, look at this, and basically just look at my hand, and I don't have big hands, guys. This is super nice. It's real compact and it's nice. Okay guys, well, God bless you all, guys, and see you in another video. Subscribe and